In this video, we're going to solve a question from the Singapore Math Olympiad. The question is, let mn be positive integers, satisfying the equation m times n squared plus 876 equals 4mn plus 270n. Then find m. Then how to solve it? First, let's take a close look at the equation. You see, here we have mn, here we have m times n squared, here we have n. So that's why the first step, move this term to the left-hand side. Then here, just mn squared minus 270n. Then move this term to the right-hand side. Then equals 4mn minus 876. Next, take out the common factor n. Then n times mn minus 217 then equals 4mn. Because here we have 4, then for this one we can put as 4 times 219. So next we want to solve for n. Then n equals, here just 4mn. Because here we have 217, so then for 219 we can put as 217 then plus 2. Then here just minus 4 times 217 then minus 4 times 2. Then divided by this part. That's mn minus 217. So now let's take out the common factor for these two terms. Then just 4 times mn minus 217, then minus 8. Divided by mn minus 217. So next, we're going to separate from here. So then we have, so then n equals, so then separate from here, so then these two terms canceled. So then here just 4, then minus 8 over this term. Then 8 over mn minus 217. Because n is a positive integer, so that means this expression is a positive integer. Since 4 is a positive integer, so that means this part. So that means this part, 8 over mn minus 217, so must be an integer. So this means mn minus 217 divides 8. So then this one means mn minus 217 must be a factor of 8. Then what are the factors of 8? So they are positive or negative 1, positive or negative 2, positive negative 4, positive or negative 8. Then if we bring negative 217 to the right hand side, so then each number plus 217. So then we have the solution for mn. So then here just mn equals the following. And the first one, 217 plus 1, then here just 218. Next one, 216, then 219, 215, 221, 213, then 225, then 209. Next, we're going to take each of the value for mn and plug in to here. Then we solve for m. Okay, so then the first one, so for 218, we plug in here, so then we have a solution that's -4 for n. So now let's see. So then here, so then we have a solution for n. Then the first one, then n equals -4. Next is a 12. Then 0, 8, then 2, 6, 3, and 5. Because the question is a found m, so then here, the m equals just mn divided by n. You see one, n cancel, just m. Because here we have values for mn. Then we have solutions for n. So because m is a positive integer, so then we just checking each pair one by one. So for example, the first one, you take a 218, then this number put here. Apparently this one's not a solution. So then we check the second one. Okay, so now let's see the second one. So second one, mn equals 216, n equals 12. Then here, then just 216 over 12. Then equals 18. 18 is a positive integer, so that's a solution. So then we check one by one, then there's another solution. That's one, mn equals 225 and n equals 3. Then the second solution is when mn equals 225 and n equals 3. Then simplify to 75. 75 is integer. So that means we have two solutions for m. Then m equals 18 or m equals 75. So they are the solutions for m. Thanks for watching.